This video will address the need to complete an engineering compliance assessment to determine if existing engineering procedures in the design of overhead distribution power lines and telecom joint-use attachments are in conjunction with best practices in the engineering industry and compliance with state registration and licensing requirements. Engineering is legally defined in all jurisdictions, and Code of Ethics requires engineers to hold paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public. The engineering profession develops best practices based on lessons learned from accidents and disasters, evaluate opportunities from technological advancements, continued methods to minimize risks. By incorporating best practices, engineers ensure their designs comply with NESC requirements. State registration laws identify that the professional engineer's primary duties include design approval, and construction management before the project is constructed and exposed to the general public. This is a common procedure used in the engineering industry. Distribution line design closely resembles transmission line design, except for the large disparity in the number of designs. Transmission companies made major advances during the last 25 years by incorporating engineering software that performs and provides long-term documentation on required NESC calculation, profile drawings on all overhead spans, system modeling to identify and correct all NESC violations, and affixing the professional engineer's seal and signature on final designs. The engineering compliance assessment will identify any areas to improve engineering procedures. Identify your cooperative responsible charge engineer who is responsible for line design activities, and the name of the consulting firm, as they are not a resident engineer. Identify the approximate number of distribution and joint-use poles on your distribution system. Each task is based on the percentage of total designs for a typical year and should add up to 100%. Please email the engineering compliance assessment to ted@utilitylinedesign.com, and you can call Ted at 7632673629 if you have any questions.